We use restoration design metal in every single build. We use the metal, we use their harnesses, and we needed to see how it's all made.
Those guys have come in for a bit of a tour. We're in the inventory section, so this specifically is 914s. So the 914s, as you know, have been gaining value and popularity.
Is that the most common metal order?
I would say that's like probably the #1 piece that's going on your 914, next to the battery tray.
Then that.
Yeah. Here's some newer stuff that some people may not know about. This would be the console for the passenger side, rear suspension.
So many compound angles on this, something like this. It's amazing.
There, fuel pump relocation
There
kit.
it
You
is.
helped me with that.
Yeah.
This was hard to find for a very long time. Now it's made. So these are the rubber isolators for the pump.
True factory look, true factory fit. These were originally so that they could get the spot weld arms up in there and spot weld the panels on.
So we've actually started cutting the holes in the rear trunk floor as well now.
Oh, cool. Like a puzzle.
The seat hinges, there's another supplier out there, and they're just not what Porsche delivered on their cars, so we wanted to make sure that we give a good product.
Yeah, it's really nice.
We install all our parts on cars as well, and then we can find issues with our parts and make those corrections as well.
And what do we got going on here?
So this will be a Speedster, pretty much just an A chassis and a T1 specifically.
Just takes time and money.
Time and money, that's it, yeah.
What I thought was interesting the most was when you look at a roll of steel, right, and then watch it get straightened, get cut, and then put on a press, all of the stampings, all of that stuff, all of it's done right here. It's pretty cool.
We do everything under one roof. We make all our tooling here. We uncoil it, we shear it, we laser cut it, stamp it, and then we even test fit all our panels on cars.
Quite an operation, huh?
Yeah, it's quite the impressive operation, starting with the boneyard outside where they've got cars where they can get donor pieces, factory replicas, so to speak. Upstairs, they've got the storage with all of the factory pieces up there they can take measurements off of. It's just insane. It's amazing. And then down here, this is all the stuff that we use pretty much on a daily basis to rebuild, restore a 914.
600 tons?
Wow, look at that. 600-ton press. You don't want to get your finger in there.
So what I think is really cool is the whole connection to Eden Rapids, where I'm from, Eden Rapids, Michigan. So we were looking at the Southwark press that they have back there, and that was one of the original presses. I actually toured the facility there probably 16, 17 years ago. So it's kind of cool to me, little hometown connection.
I like Sparks. Was it the man with the golden gun, the James Bond thing, where the laser's coming up to cut him in half? The subtle differences between model years, model styles, I mean, and you got to basically do it all, right? I mean,
Right.
You know, we've been doing 914 restorations for probably 15 years, about the time you guys got started as well. So we're using all restoration design metal whenever we can. You know, if there's some piece that they don't make, then we have to really work. We have to scavenge it from a car or hand make the part. But for the most part, you guys are it.
Our partnership, you being a preferred installer of our panels, it goes a long way, and it shows the customer both of our commitment to providing a good product in the end.